Manchester United defeated Crystal Palace 3-1 to keep up Erik ten Hag's winning start during pre-season. Anthony Martial, Marcus Rashford and Jadon Sancho scored for United while Joel Ward netted for Palace. United youngster Will Fish received a straight red card with 6 minutes left after pulling down Victor Akinwale. Brian Robson pointed out to Bruno Fernandes that it's a winning start in the club's new away shirt. Fernandes responded to the new kit is giving something to us and hopefully it'll give something in the new season as well. Plenty of excitement understandably from United fans with another assured performance. United next travel to Perth to face another Premier League side in Aston Villa with the start of the new Premier League season drawing ever closer. I think that we are much more aggressive now. The three guys up front press well. We are much fresher and have freedom. There is loads of space in the middle, and we are playing much better on the ball. T may have been a slow last half hour or so, but United were devastating in the first half, scoring 3 terrific goals courtesy of all three forwards. A revitalized Martial opened the scoring with a smartly taken finish. Sancho was up next, calmly dispatching the ball past Matthews. Then it was Rashford getting into the right position to stroke the ball home for United's third.